Hi everyone, this is Shubhra Nishad and welcome to our channel Trade for Grade. Today we'll be discussing about what are the different financial instruments available in the market, why there is a need of investment, why do we do investment. So let's start the video. So what is investing? Investing is taking charge of your financial securities. It helps you create wealth and generate returns and income which can help you after retirement. When taking investing seriously, you can generate return which can provide you financial stability in future. Let's take an example of previous year. We all were into pandemic. Millions of people have lost their job. Millions of people were suffering from health issues. Don't you think if a person would have planned its finances earlier, would it have faced much problem during this time? Yeah, it's right. The next point is it can help you achieve your financial goals. For example, if you want to buy a house after 5 years, if you want to buy a car after 3 years, all these things can be done if your planning is accurate, if you have planned your investments. So to have a financially independent life after your retirement, you need to have the investment which can beat inflation. Because if we'll talk about the average inflation rate of India of past 10 years, that is 4.09%. So it's very important to choose very wisely of your financial instruments in which you want to make money, in which you want to invest money especially. First, we need to understand that what are assets? Exactly, what are assets? Assets are item of property that is owned by a person. For example, you own a house, that is your asset. You own a car, that is your asset. You own a phone, mobile phone, that is your asset. You have jewelries, that is also your assets. So, in financial market, what are the financial assets available in the market? If we will segregate financial assets into two terms, we will get financial assets and non-financial assets. Financial assets is also divided into two parts, that is equity and debt. Non-financial assets is also bifurcated, that is gold and properties. At the same time, we'll be focusing on equity much than of other categories. The other categories will be explained in coming videos. So why we are focusing upon equity? Because equity helps us make the return which can beat inflation. But there is also one drawback. When the analysis is not right, you can also dump your money into the market. So it's very important at the same time that you need to have very precise and accurate analysis so that you can generate much return, because share market is subjected to risk. So we need to understand that how we have to manage risk, because return is directly proportional to risk. The more risk you are taking, the more probability of return generation is there. Therefore, in other instruments, the returns are very less because the risk is also very less. So, what is equity? Equity refers to the shares of the company's ownership. For example, you are taking the share of SBI, that means you are possessing the ownership in SBI as a company. So this is all about equity. Now, what are the basic requirements that a person have to invest into the equity market? First, you need to have a demat account. There are ample amount of brokers available into the market whom you can opt and open a demat account. For example, Motilal Oswal, Sher Khan, Zerodha, and etc. etc. Second and utmost important thing which is there is you need to calculate your risk appetite before entering into the stock market. In description, I'll provide you the link of Motilal Oswal where you can calculate your risk appetite. Now, these are the two utmost important things that a person do before entering into the stock market. Now, there are different mode of investment and trading into equity. First is you can go for the direct investment and trading in equity cash. Second is you can go with mutual funds, and third is there are derivative trading as well. So if we'll summarize this video, what we have learned in here, that what is investment, why there is a need of investment, what are the different mode of investment. We precisely focused upon equity, what are the requirements while investing in equity market, what are the needs and what are the mode of equity market trading and investment. We precisely go into the categorical explanation in coming video. of the investment instruments. If you will find this video useful in any way, please like and subscribe this channel, and also share this video to your friends and family. If you like to have more videos like this, let us know into the comment section. Thank you.